As with AutoCAD, the ribbon is located at the top of the screen and gives you access to BricsCAD's tools. Left-click to activate them. There are several tabs for different sets of tools specific to each workspace. Many of the top-level tools have flyouts with more commands. Left-click on the arrow to expand the selection. BricsCAD's tools are also available in toolbars. In some workspaces, more toolbars are visible by default, completely replacing the ribbon. To see a list of default toolbars, right-click at the top of the screen and select the Toolbars sub-menu. The check mark beside an item means that the toolbar is visible in the current workspace. To make another toolbar visible in the current workspace, just click on it. You can position the toolbars however you like. You can dock them to any side of the screen or let them float in the drawing area. Commands can also be accessed from the menu bar. As with AutoCAD, this bar is not visible by default, but you can turn it on from the context menu that appears when you right-click on a toolbar or a ribbon. Here you have access to many tools grouped in different categories. To quickly use the commands, you'll find the command line at the bottom of the drawing area. Most commands and aliases from BricsCAD are identical to the ones used in AutoCAD. For example, we can use the polyline and offset commands to create another room. And use the trim command to remove the unnecessary part of the segments. Settings such as the cursor size can also be modified in the command line. The command line can also be undocked to allow for more drawing space. To see the command history, use the F2 key. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the status bar where you can quickly change aspects of the drawing session. Here you can change the current workspace or activate or deactivate features such as the grid, ortho mode, entity snap, and more.